What's going on, everybody? Mike Hill Hobbies back at you with another great one from Elemis. This is their 45-inch animated creepy crawly zombie. This is rated for indoor, outdoor, runs on 3 AA batteries, sound and touch activated. It's got LED eyes, of course it makes noise, and it has movement. Let's check it out. Okay, looks like fun in a box right there. Let's go ahead and pull this one out of here. And that's it in the box. So it's pretty long, it's 45 inches. And you can put the arms really however you want. If you want to make them down or up, it is gonna work either way. Now, the legs, it just kind of goes from the feet to where the knee area is, a little bit above that it seems like, but above that you've got foam just to give it a little bit of buildup, and then you have the frame here with the battery box right down here on the bottom, and of course the mechanism. Face looks really cool. You can doctor this up however you want, and it is really nice. The material feels really good. The material for the pants is like the same material as the Sitting Clown, which is a nice thick type of cloth. You've got some kind of creepy cloth here on the head. It almost has a pirate type of feel to it. Not really, but you could totally turn this into a pirate very easily. I'm probably gonna go ahead and throw some fake blood and some dirt on this thing and make it look really grungy. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. Go ahead and make those feet as nasty as you want. We'll get some batteries in this guy and check it out. All right, I got some batteries in here. Gonna give a clap and check this thing out. So it's just from the waist up, giving it that movement. If you put this out on the ground outside, I don't think it's gonna move anywhere. It's just gonna give the movement, which I actually like better because I'm gonna throw this in my graveyard and I don't want something that's gonna crawl all around. I just want it to make movement. So it's perfect for that. Now on this table, it does crawl across the table very, very slowly, but it does crawl across the table. You can see it's moving forward extremely slowly, which is what it says it's gonna do. I actually really, really like this thing. I'm gonna have this out by a tombstone in my creepy graveyard, and this thing is just gonna fit in perfectly. It's gonna be around all kinds of other stuff making noise, so this thing is just gonna go off and go off and go off, and it's got those red LED eyes that blink, so it really attracts eyes, and it just looks really great. I think you put a little bit of fake blood on here and it's just gonna top it off. It's gonna look really, really good. Aside from that, the sensor is really sensitive. Just as pretty much anything that Elemis makes, their sensors are really sensitive, which I absolutely love. That is a plus when you're dealing with Halloween animatronics. Okay, here's what it looks like on the bottom side of the crawling zombie. It's actually got a really nice looking skull. It's really thick plastic. It's really good quality. You could definitely dress that up and make it look much spookier. But I think just a little bit of fake blood drizzled on here is really gonna do it. Maybe some hay or some straw thrown on it. A little bit of dirt. You could get some sticky, tacky spray and spray it on there and just throw a little dirt on it. I think it's gonna look just perfect. arms, it does have springs inside of here, so that kind of gives it that bouncy look whenever it's crawling. This thing is actually really cool. All in all, I really like this thing. This is just an excellent addition to any type of graveyard scene, or if you have a spooky walkway, or of course if you have trick-or-treaters coming, they got to walk up to your house some way. If you just laid this right down next to where the trick-or-treaters are going to walk, perfect. It's going to grab their attention when they hear that thing go off and they see it start moving. You know, it's going to startle them. Absolutely perfect for any Halloween display. For this animated creepy crawly zombie, I give this 2 thumbs up. I absolutely love it. This is going to be so much fun on Halloween night. I think it's going to attract a lot of eyes when people are walking by, and this thing goes off with that sound, those LEDs, and that little bit of movement. Absolutely perfect. If you're looking for something extra to add to your Halloween display, definitely check this out. Appreciate everybody watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.